Now we are designing a Malo bridge product. Let's introduce its process. Now, the 3D design has been completed. What I'm making now is a silicone guide plate. The purpose of making a silicone guide plate is to perfectly replicate the shape and contour of the temporary tooth. This is the significance of making a silicone guide plate. Then the midline and central axis. This is after drawing the midline silicone guide plate. After it's done, place the silicone guide plate on the model. After all the dental models are made, that is, after the temporary teeth are printed, we need to check its seating. Check if the model placed on it, whether it is accurate. We must have zero error. The model is generated from the data in the mouth. Then put it on. Every part of it fits perfectly. It can fit gently. To meet this standard, we can confirm that the model is fine. Second, simulate and put it on. Check if the occlusion fit is the same. And make sure it is consistent with the model data.